In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower the protection level on a domain in your GoDaddy domain portfolio. If you need to change the protection settings on one or more domains, this process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. Before you make any changes, it's a good idea to understand that lowering domain protection may reduce certain security features on your domain, so be sure you're choosing the option that best fits your needs. To begin, go to your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is the area where all of your registered domains are managed in one place. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the domain name you want to update. If you're working with multiple domains, you can also select more than one at the same time, which can save time if you want to apply the same change across several domains. After selecting the domain or domains you want to modify, look for the ownership option in the management area. Under that section, click on Domain Protection. This is where GoDaddy lets you control the current protection level assigned to the selected domain. When the domain protection settings open, you'll see the available protection tiers. At this point, choose a lower protection level than the one currently assigned. For example, if the domain is set to full protection, you can lower it to basic or even to none, depending on what you want. Make sure you review the choice carefully before moving forward, because each tier offers a different level of security and control. Once you've selected the lower protection tier you want, click Save to apply the change. That's the final step. After saving, the updated protection level should take effect for the selected domain or domains. If you're managing several domains, it's worth double-checking that the change was applied to all the ones you selected. And if you lowered protection only temporarily, you may want to make a note to restore a higher level later, especially for important business or personal domains. That's all it takes to lower domain protection in GoDaddy. Follow those same steps anytime you need to adjust protection settings inside your domain portfolio.